So we were discussing about the different types of perfumes, okay, and the dosage. Let's go to the next slide. What are the different types of perfumes? Okay, so there is the EDP, which is or the perfume or the perfume. Okay, it's nothing but it means that it's a liquid which has higher concentration of the fragrance, 15 to 20% dosage of the fragrance oil. Then comes the EDT, which is 5 to 15% dosage. So in a bottle, 5% or 15 up to 15% of the fragrance oil means it's a EDT or the toilet. Then comes EDC or cologne. Cologne is little weaker kind of perfume. It's called a EDC or the cologne, which is 2 to 5% dosage only. Then comes body mist or after shower mist. Okay, these are mainly water based perfumes and little more weaker. The whole idea of these are just for freshness, so that once somebody has come out from a shower, they can feel fresh. Then comes deodorant or body deodorant or body spray. They're the same, and again 2 to 5% dosage. Then we have the apparel spray perfume. The apparel means clothes. Very simple language. It means clothes. That means it's a perfume to be sprayed on clothes. And the dosage can be either of EDP, EDT, or EDC. Then there is a roll on perfume. These are mainly non alcoholic perfumes. So, particularly Muslim people, they don't like, because in a perfume, other than the fragrance, which is 15 to 20%, the remaining part is alcohol. So, people or countries where alcohol is banned, or people who don't want to use alcohol, they prefer a roll on perfume which has 15 to 20% or 5 to 15% fragrance, and the balance will be a solvent, which I explained you in the previous video. Solvent is just a filler item, it has no smell, just like water. So just to show you again this graph, where you can see this has the maximum perfume concentration per farm, which is very very strong. Then comes EDP, then comes EDT, then comes EDC. This is not common in India. So if you see this also shows you that the lasting of the perfume depends on the dosage of the perfume. So the higher the dosage, the longer it will last. Okay, now let's go to the next one. What is the lasting of perfumes? Okay, and what is the lasting of our perfume? So lasting of perfume depends on the fragrance dosage I just showed you in the last slide. It also depends on the type of fragrance. Okay, whether the fragrance is woody, it is citrus, it is fruity, it is vanilla, etc. Okay, it is a time for which the perfume is going to last on the skin of the customer or on the fabric on the clothes. Okay, so that is what is lasting of the perfume. And our standard perfume lasting in our brand is between 6 to 8 hours. We don't say 24 hours. Yes, it can last. If you put it in the morning, it can be there till the night. It can even be there on the next day. But to be on the safer side, we say, because everybody has a different tendency to sweat. So because we are in Mumbai, a lot of people sweat a lot, and that is why maybe the perfume effect can go down, right? Because it depends on skin to skin. And that is why we say our perfumes will last between 6 to 8 hours. That is what we guarantee, and that's a good time for anyone. So you can even say from morning to evening or evening to night. I mean, that's very safe. And how to wear a perfume? How do we recommend? So perfume is usually worn around the areas where it is little warm. What happens is, when you apply the perfume, due to the heat in those areas, the perfume molecules get released in the air, and that's why they come out more and more. That's why the sweat areas, wherever a person sweats, so the underarms or the shoulder areas or the neck area or these pulse points, this is called a pulse point here. Okay,